The 2 Tyres Guide to the Bridgestone AT41. The AT41 is an adventure bike tyre that does a bit of everything but doesn't excel at anything. That's either going to appeal to you or completely put you off. If you mainly ride on the road but you want to be able to dabble off-road, the AT41 is a far better bet than the A41, which comes as OEM on a lot of adventure bikes. It's also a more sensible road-going tyre than the Extreme AX41. Everything in the world of bike tyres is a compromise, and in the adventure segment, more off-road potential means less on-road ability. However, the AT41 walks the tightrope well and are pretty good at everything. The only terrain we'd steer clear of on the AT41 tyres is the wet, muddy stuff, as the tread blocks won't penetrate the mud nor will they be able to clear it. But on the road they're excellent with a fast warm-up, good edge grip and decent wear rates. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.